Tuesday's Phil M Radio Show with Bert Coily, Nor Coily, Milo Salvador, and Vicky Navarro. On air all the time every Tuesday. In Seattle, in the U.S. May konting news, may konting sports. Definitely there will be singing. Coming from talents old and new. Come one, come all, enjoy the show. It's a Phil M Radio Show. Oh, oh. It's a Phil M Radio Show. Oh, oh. It's a Phil M Radio Show. Oh, oh. It's a Phil M Radio Show. Oh, oh.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Saan man kayo ang naroon, wherever you are in the world. Ito po ang PhilAm Radio Show, broadcasting live from 1 to 2:30 p.m. Shuttle time, and every Wednesdays from 5 to 6:30 a.m. at Philippine time, and 7 to 8:30 a.m. Queensland, Australia time, through the magic of StreamYard and the facilities of Rainer Avenue Radio.org in Seattle, Washington, USA. Ito po si Miles Salvador at ang aking pong mga kasama.
Ako po si Kuya Bert Coily, currently in Batanes province in the Philippines. And I'm happy that I was able to get internet somehow. Otherwise, I would not have been able to join you.
That's wonderful, Kuya Bert. Hi, everyone. Vicky Navarro here, reporting from Fredway, Washington. Thank you.
Oh, where's Norm? Our producer is Danielle Velez of Rainer Avenue Radio.org. Our program is internet-based, so you can watch live right now. Saan man kayo naroon, anywhere in the world. Just log on to www.raineravenueradio.world or in YouTube. Hanapin po lamang ang PhilAm Radio Show episode 429. Our show is video recorded by our producer, Danielle Velez, so you can watch later at your own convenience through the Facebook page of raineravenueradio.world, through my Facebook page, Miles Salvador, Kuya Bert Coily, Vicky Navarro, Birds Angels Washington, and YouTube. Hanapin po lamang ang PhilAm Radio Show episode 429. We broadcast in Taglish, Tagalog, English, so our speaking English audience can understand the show. So for now, just relax and enjoy your show. Salamat po. Our program always starts with a prayer and ends with a prayer. So let's all bow our heads and join Kuya Bert in our opening prayer.
Ama namin, purihin ang iyong pangalan. Bagamat po di kami karapat-dapat ay nangahas kaming sumamo sa inyo na basbasan po ninyo ang aming mga pamilya, mga kaibigan at ang lahat ng tumatangkilik sa aming programa ngayong hapon. Kawaan niyo po ang mga kapatid namin na may mga karamdaman na pagkalooban ng madaling pagaling o ng kaginhawaan. Maghari nawa sa lahat ng tao ang mabuting pagsasamahan, kababaang loob at kapayapaan, ngayon at magpakailan paman. Siya nawa. Amen.
Amen.
Hi, everybody.
Hello. How are you, Kuya Bert?
Hi. Well, it's wonderful here, but it's like going backwards, with most of the old stone houses are still here. I don't know if you're familiar with Batanes. There are 2 islands here that comprise the province. So we're having a good time. We'll try to send you some maybe drone shots of our stay. It's wonderful. But what I'm going to say, Vicky, you may have to do most of the talking here today because I don't have any information.
Okay, Kuya. Yeah.
The special guests or even with the playlist. So Miles
Yeah.
and Vicky, and I don't know where Norbert is. Hopefully he could join us later. Okay, so
Okay. Today, we have a very special guest. She is an award-winning singer and songwriter, dancer, actress, and
Mhm.
sound engineer based in Kyoto, Japan. So let's all welcome Elizabeth Fronda. Yay!
Hello, Miss Beautiful.
oh
Hi!
my gosh, I like
How are
that.
you?
I love your outfit.
Yeah.
Oo. We can hear you, my dear.
Mm-mm.
Nasa mute
Are
ka.
you muted? Okay.
Ayun. Hindi pa
Mm-mm.
eh.
Wala pa
So,
rin.
Oh, yan.
Okay na po.
There.
Hello po. Ako po si Elise. Binabati ko po ang ating mga manonood ngayon sa Phil-Am Radio. At sa inyo po, Kuya Bert, Tita Miles, at Miss Vicky. I'm so happy to be here today with you guys. Yes,
Yeah.
let's have fun.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Boy, this is
She brings
funky,
us joy.
cheerful.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Welcome to our show. Wow,
Yes po.
I
I'm
like
so
your
happy po.
outfit. Ang ganda naman ng background mo.
Yeah.
Ang
Salamat
ganda
po.
pa ng
Dahil,
sombrero
You got
mo.
a nice background too.
salamat po. Ako po natutuwa dahil nakabalik po ako. Actually, second time ko na po ito
Yeah.
sa ating show. At
Oh,
yan po, si Tita Miles, of course. Dahil po yan kay
Yeah.
Tita Miles. So,
yeah.
masaya po ako yung kwento. Mga nangyari after ng last
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
interview.
A lot
Yes.
of
Okay.
accomplishments. Yeah.
Arigato.
Okay, Uncle Bert, Vicky, and Elise, let's listen to your opening song. Lotta You in Me by Elizabeth Fronda. Yay.
Oh yeah. I was lost and lonely, feeling sorry for myself. And then came music, baby, put my blues up on the shelf. I was walking around with my head hanging down and the desperation. When I saw you standing there, I don't get into my brain with a revelation. There's a whole lot of you and me. When I look in the mirror, you're the one I see. Whole lot of you and me. Feels so natural.
初めてなのにきっと先生であなたの指をしてたのね目に見えるものを超えていく思い心の奥まで深く響いてる運命に導かれたみたい二人で奏でるハーモニーあなたはそうか舞い降りた人I look in the mirror and see your face. Your spirit again is I must be dreaming, not to the bitterness.
Yay! Oh, lots of you and me. Yay!
Yes, I love Libby.
Ah,
Arigato!
Yeah.
Salamat po!
So Kuya, I'm just gonna go over her bio a little bit so you can understand, as we introduce Lady Eliz to our new fans today. So we have a special guest here, Lady Eliz, award-winning singer, songwriter, dance actress, and sound engineer, Kuya. So I don't know what that is, but we'll find out a little bit more. He is an international singer originally from Daet Camarines, Norte Philippines, now based in Osaka, Japan. A rising fast in the Philadelphia soul, and that's kind of like I want to know about more of that and the R&B scene. She's also been a ambassador of music, based in Bicol. As far as that, she's a 3-time Emmy Award winner, Billy Jolly and JPF Award winner. So we'll get to know her and how she, with all her accomplishments. We just want to welcome Lady Eliz to the Film on Radio show. Welcome, my dear.
Yay!
Yes, thank you for having me today. Salamat po. I'm
Yes.
excited.
So we're so super excited, especially for your new fans today. And you're in Japan, and Ati Miles in Australia, Kuya in the Philippines. Here, Rainier Avenue Radio. We're based in Seattle, Washington. Just to show our fans today where we tune in from. And I wanted to, we all want to know a little bit more about you. Does music run in your family? Tell about your early years in your life and how was music came into your life. Was it all from your family? Is it something that you gained through experience? So tell us more about your early childhood.
My family is musically inclined. My father's side. So his dream is to have a singer, a wife singer. So it just happened, unfortunately, na hindi naman talaga singer yung nanay ko. So nung makita niya na kaming tatlong magkakapatid is we're dancing, singing at that young age, and he started to, I think they have a potential. Then he started us to develop our talent, like joining in the radio station like that, singing competitions, and then some events like that. So it all started.
Kasama yung mga kapatid mo? Is that when you started?
Yes po.
How old were you guys? How old were you guys?
Mga kami noon, mga toddler pa po kami. Kaya lang talaga, ang naging singer, kami dalawa ng aking panganay na kapatid. Pero ako talaga yung nag-pursue dahil sa pangarap ko, sabi ko, ang tatay ko, yung pangarap niya gusto kong ibigay. So, yun po ang nangyari. Opo.
So apparently your mother trained you well kasi yung energy mo, ikaw sa video na napanood natin, talagang gumaganyan talaga.
Yeah.
We're so excited. May paganyan-ganyan pa siya.
Yeah.
It's really nice. Yeah. We're very blessed to have
Yeah.
you on our
Salamat
show.
po.
So tell us about when yung kasama mo yung ate mo or your sister. Like, did you guys start in like mga contests or did your parents say, "Oy, let's put you out in singing in the mga party"? What was your first experience? And is it your dad is the one that knows that you guys were the ones that are gonna bring music out in the family?
Miss Vicky, yung ate ko kasi is siya yung parang idol ko. Bago ko naging idol si
Ah,
Mariah Carey, siya muna yung naging idol ko.
I
So,
see.
nung nakikita ko siyang kumakanta po sa radio, sabi ko gusto ko rin gayahin yung ginagawa ng ate ko.
Mhm.
So, kaya ako yung palagi niyang sidekick ba? Palagi. So, nakikita yung ginagawa niya. Sabi ko, there were times na dun sa kids division, kulang ang contestant. Tapos, sabi ng gitarista, that time, nandun kami sa station, kung po pwede nga daw sumali nga ako kasi kulang daw. Nagkataon naman yung gitarista na yon, kilala na din ang ate ko at ang tatay ko. So, sinama nila ako. Doon nag-start po yung aking journey na yung pag pinapalakpakan ka sa stage. Iba yung feeling ko.
Wow.
Sabi ko, gusto ko naririnig ko yung palakpak. Naiwan sa tenga ko. Kaya sabi ko, gusto ko rin maging kagaya ng ate ko. So nag-start po yan sa radio. Tapos napapasok na rin ako ng banda. I was 14 years old when I started sa banda professionally na talaga. Hanggang ngayon po. Yes po.
Galing mo
Wow.
talaga.
So as far as like 14 years old and being in the band, sa mga restaurants or did you guys form a band or the band found you or how did that happen, sis? Yeah.
Ang kwento po dyan, Miss Vicky, nakakatuwa. Dahil ang ate ko nga, palagi akong kasama niya, nag-audition siya. Dahil naghahanap sila ng singer. So nakita nila yung ate ko. Sinama naman ako ng ate ko dahil gusto niya pala yung kasama, nahihiya siya mag-isa.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Ako naman ako, sama din ako. Ngayon, nung makuha ko siya sa audition, paalis na kami, tinanong ng band leader na kung kumakanta daw yung kapatid. Sabi ng ate, kumakanta po yan. So sabi, sige niya, gusto na yung marinig ang boses. So timing naman nung panahon na yun, 90s, sikat na sikat ang Mariah Carey.
Oh.
Pagkanta ko ng Vision of Love, tsaka I'll Be There ni Mariah Carey, sabi nung Banino, sige, tatok na rin natin. So, that's my legislation. Sabit na naman ako. Palaging dahil sa ate ko. Opo, yun ang kwento.
Alam mo, Elise, you always talk about your sister. Kumusta naman yung ate mo ngayon?
Mabuti naman po, nagkaroon na po siya kasi ng pamilya, pero nakapag-abroad din po siya dito sa Japan ng ilang beses. Kaya lang, siya po yung ano po niya kasi is, family talaga importante. Ako talaga, pangarap talaga. Hindi ako titigil hanggat hindi ko naaabot ang pangarap ko. Kaya doon kami nagkaiba sa kapatid.
Okay.
So, masaya naman ako para sa kanyang pinili.
Okay.
Pero ako
Hindi na
talaga
siya kumakanta ngayon. Hindi na siya
na lang
kumakanta.
po. Kanta-kanta na lang po sa live sa Facebook, ganyan. May mga grupo po
Ngayon,
sila.
itatanong kita,
Apo.
na-achieve mo na yung pangarap mo. Di ba? O meron
Thank
pa
you, Lord.
ang
Amen.
hinahanap. You're still looking for more glory na hindi pa, ibig ko sabihin, hindi ka pa ready para magkaroon ng pamilya. You still want to pursue your dreams. Tama ba yun?
Kuya Bert, actually may anak ako. So, kumbaga kompleto na yung aking na-achieve ko na lahat. Maging nanay, maging mabait na anak sa aking magulang. Napapunta ko rin po siya kasi dito sa Japan na isa sa mga pangarap ko po. Bago po namatay ang tatay ko po. Doon po ako sobrang proud. At saka ang hinihiling ko lang po Kuya Bert ngayon sa case ko is naipagpatuloy ko pa ba yung ginagawa ko at makapag-inspire sa kapwa ko. Artist na nagsisimula po. Yun po ang aking.
Very well said. Di ba,
Yes,
Vicky?
you do.